Hey there, I'm Zach with FTx, here to make sure you know how to set up our cash discounting dual pricing module. We'll also take a look at some reporting options that are available. So let's get going. To begin, we'll open Control Center. Once logged in, we'll navigate to Maintenance, Settings and Panels. Then we'll go to POS, POS Device Settings, and finally, Credit Card Settings. So here, we'll see the cash discounting and dual pricing options. The first option is simply, yes, I want to enable this. Once enabled, I'm going to choose my cash discount percentage. This is generally set between 2 and 3%. Most of our customers aren't looking to make a profit on this, just offset some of the fees. I'll also choose whether or not to allow cash value on non-receipt returns. If this is enabled, whenever a return is presented without a receipt, the customer is forced to get the non-cash price. However, a receipt return will obviously use whatever value the customer purchased. Next is the default method of payment. Here you can choose not set, cash, or non-cash. If it's not set, the cashier is prompted for cash or non-cash when the sale begins. On either cash or non-cash, it just simply defaults the pricing on the sale to either the cash price or the non-cash price. In any of the scenarios, the cashier could easily toggle between the two by choosing the cash or non-cash icons. Moving on, we have the departments using cash discounts. So what this is your whitelist filter. Any department listed in here, the items within that department are eligible to be cash discounted. So you would want to exclude items from departments such as lottery, lotto, fuel, and others that you don't want a cash discount to be applied to. Other things to consider other than the lottery and lotto are pre-priced manufacturer items. These are ones where the manufacturer has the price on the product itself, or any items that you're contractually obligated to sell at a certain price. Our last setting is the tender filter. Here you're going to define any tender that you want to be considered cash. So for instance, if you take checks, either manual checks or electronic checks, you can determine whether or not you want to give those customers the cash price or not. So once all of these are configured, it will be enabled. You can additionally set which locations don't participate in this and override the value at those locations. Now cash discounting and dual pricing is set up. The next time the stores log in, they'll automatically see that option in the POS. If you have any stores or locations you don't want to participate in this, their settings can be overridden at their location level. So let's take a look at the reporting available for cash discounting and dual pricing. From Control Center, we'll navigate to Reports, Sales Reports. So this report's pretty straightforward. You're going to choose your filters if you want a department filter or item filter or something of that nature, and then whether or not you want to group the item by UPC or department or category. Next, you'll choose your date range, and finally, the list of locations to include. When running the report, it's going to show you the difference in the cash and non-cash price, basically to see how much of a difference you have to offset those credit card fees. So that's how you set up dual pricing or cash discounting. Take a look at our other videos to see it in action on the register. Thanks for spending time with us today.